back with another YouTube video. So I was filming a video and the video stopped. So I did some of the code. So this is what we have so far. Let me just show you the design real quick. Text area 1's width is 280 and its height is 240. And for quote color, the quote colors label, the width is 185 and the height is 35. And for the width is 115 and the height is 35. And that's the same for label blue and label red. Label plus and minus's width is still 115, but the height is 45. And the drop-down menu, you can use any font you want as long as it's in this, which is the font family. And then for all of these sliders, the width is 175 and the height is 40. The value is 50. The minimum value is 0 and the maximum is 255 for all of the sliders. The text input 1's width is 120 and the height is 29. And then that's it for the design. So for the code, we have to set a variable, which the variable's name is size, and you'll find that block here. It's called declare a variable. It declares and assigns an initial value to a variable. And then on event, when the label green, the slider green actually, it has an input, the set property for the text area's background color, and that block will be in UI controls over here. So it's called set property, and then text areas 1, which is this, its background color, and then the RBG, we get the number from the blue, red, and green sliders. So that RBG is down here, and then we get the number block is here. So we just get the numbers from the green, blue, and red sliders. And you can just do that for the same for the green, blue, and red sliders. And then on event, when the plus is clicked, the size, which is the variable, which you'll find that block here, it's called assign a variable, assigns a value to a previously declared variable, which our declared variable is here. So we have to set it to size equals to size plus 5. And then we set the property for the text area's font size to size, which is our variable. And the same thing for minus, except its size is equal to size minus 5. And then text input 1's input, set property to text area's text color, and then we get the text from the text input 1. So let's do that. Text area's font color. Where is that? Text color. And whenever you're doing it for a variable, let me see. So yeah, but whenever you're doing it for a variable, you can't use double quotes, otherwise it will not work. And we get the text from text input 1. And that block is in UI controls. We get the text input 1. Now we have to do that for the drop down menu. also input text area's font from family. Then we get the text from drop down one. So let's do that. Input, and then set the property of text area 1's font family to get the text from the drop down one. Okay, now let's check the code to see if it works. So I'm going to say and then let's see, quote color, black works, red works, cyan works, blue works, blue, let's see, green, blue, red, it works. So let's see if we can change the font. Works. So that is the quote maker. And that's the quote maker app from on App Lab. Thank you guys for 20 subscribers. And